Hello everyone, as promised, this is going to be a brand new year for Chao. I am going to take you on my tours to all parts of Thailand to start with, and eventually we are going all over. Wherever I go, you go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you on tour with me, and I'm going to stop at coffee shops which catch my eyes and hopefully give you some ideas. So stay tuned until the end of this video tutorial. Today we are going to a very special cafe that I found whilst on this trip. I am currently in Hua Hin, south of Thailand, about 2 to 3 hours away from Bangkok. It's an incredible beach holiday destination, but I found a few coffee shops that might be interesting for you. Hua Hin is a very beautiful place. It's a beach destination and many of the tourists come here. Not at this time of the year or this time of the pandemic because of all the restrictions on flights, travel and all this quarantine, but life goes on and we are here to sample the best of the cafes here in Hua Hin, and it is going to be a cafe by the beach. It is called Eureka Cafe. Okay, so we have arrived. This is Eureka Cafe, Beach Cafe. And it seems like there's a lot of people here today. It's the holiday and they are located in a stunning beach location, as you can see here. Let's take a look. Eureka Beach Cafe, established 2017, so they've been running for 4 years. Now let's have a look at the menu. Apparently their best-selling drink here is Kai Kem latte. Kai Kem in Thai, it means salted egg latte. I'm not sure if I'd like to try that, but it seems that everyone who comes here for this drink especially. Let's look at their durian iced tea, sakura yuzu lemonade, very exotic drinks. And they have of course their regular coffee drinks. They've got the nitro cold brew, nitro selection, the classic coffee, and all these exotic drinks. I'm going to try the Kai Kem latte, but first let's have a look at the beach. This is what I'm here for. So I have 3 drinks in front of me by the beach, perfect way to spend your afternoon. And I've got here pandan, matcha, green tea latte. I have rose lychee, and then sakura yuzu lemonade. I'll just give each one of them a try and then get on with my afternoon. Lots of people here today. It's just down to the taste. The texture also looks good. The presentation is amazing with this separation, two-tone, and then just down to the taste. I'll try this one. Not bad. It's actually not milk. It is coconut milk and pandan with matcha. Delicious. I approve. Okay, let's go to the next one. The presentation is amazing with this one. Absolutely no smell of rose either. It smells of lychee though. So just give this a taste. I would say this is all syrup, and I could hardly taste the rose. It does taste of lychee, but not something I would go for on a regular basis. Sakura yuzu lemonade. Beautiful. Wow. Now I like this one. There is something, there are bits in there that taste really good. It's like the pulp of the yuzu, so I wouldn't say this is syrupy. I think this is more like the real deal, although I would be surprised if they have yuzu in this part of the world, all the way flown in, all the way from Japan. And this final drink is, what is this drink again?
Orange espresso.
Orange espresso. Oh yeah, one of my favorites. Let's see. If it's fresh orange, I would love this. May I have a straw, please? I'm not going to have all of these drinks. There are about 7 of us here with my family on holiday. And okay, orange espresso. I don't think I like the taste of the coffee. The coffee is not good, but together it just tastes like, I don't know, it's Royal True Orange. It doesn't taste like fresh orange at all. If you know what Royal True Orange is, it's like bottled carbonated drinks. The coffee is not amazing. I wouldn't say it's amazing. What do you think?
I mean, it's unique, but I think it's too bitter.
Yep, the coffee is not great.
Yeah, it tastes bitter. Maybe because of the orange skin.
Kind of,
The orange,
yeah.
it mixed with the bitterness of the espresso, makes it more bitter than you want it to be.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Can I try it? Yeah. You can use the straw or sip from the thing. It's a bit bitter, yeah. It's like, it doesn't have much taste of the orange. I feel like they put a little too much coffee. to orange ratio. I would rate that 6 out of 10.
Your rating?
5.
5 out of 10. Well, okay. And your yuzu lemonade?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
Ooh, perfect. Okay, let's get to the next one. That is how much is that drink?
175.
That's about, in US dollars, that's about $6 US. 5, 6, right?
Not worth it.
Is that worth it? Oh, okay.
I quite like that one.
I kind of like that one too. I'm okay with it. 170 baht.
It's not even good.
Okay, well, what do you think of your roast lychee?
It's about 140 baht, so it's about 4 to 5 US dollars. It tastes just like the street side stuff that you get. I would give it a 2 out of 10. The pandan with coconut milk I thought was pretty good. I would give that 170. It was quite expensive, but for taste I would give it a 6 or a 7. A little bit different. So I like
Okay.
And we're about to try a, what is it?
Signature drink.
Their signature drink at this establishment, and it's called
Salted egg latte.
yeah.
So if we come closer and have a look at this drink, actually, let me explain it. According to the manager of this cafe, it is actually, if you look at the top, can we have a look at the top, please? What do you think is on top of that?
I mean, it looks like an egg yolk.
I said, oh, actually, it is not an egg yolk. It's supposed to be a Thai dessert. What it is the salted egg is at the bottom of the drink. So you can see that, right? It's a salted egg sauce. So the salted egg's at the bottom. Then you've got the milk, and then the coffee, and some foam on top, and that Thai dessert.
Are you
Now-
supposed to stir it to mix it up?
Yeah, they told us that the way to drink this is that you drink from the bottom to the top, so you don't stir it. So you almost like
Eat the egg?
pull it up.
Okay.
You pull it up. So the way they serve the straws here is in kind of like a plastic box like this, so you can get the straw from there. And then I'm going to let Jack taste it, and then I'll maybe give my own verdict as well.
I'm a
So-
little bit nervous, I'm not going to lie. Egg and coffee doesn't seem like a particularly good combination.
Well, actually, in Vietnam they have this egg coffee, right? Have you
Yeah,
ever tried that?
I haven't.
No,
I haven't.
So, I mean, egg coffee seems to be very popular, but this one is entirely a different thing. It's salted egg,
Okay.
right? And
give it
apparently,
a go.
this shop is very popular for their salted egg latte. So we have to give it a try. So what you do is you dip your straw in there, and then you drink it, pulling it upwards. That way.
See,
Okay?
as I'm drinking, I pull it up.
Yeah, as you drink, you pull it up, so you don't.
Well, every single time I drink.
Yeah.
As,
Can I show you?
sure.
Okay. Well, I won't give it my review until Jack does.
Okay. So start at the bottom, and then as
Yeah.
I drink it,
You
I pull it
keep
up.
sipping it all the way up.
Okay. Okay.
Well, yeah, there you go.
try
Our
again.
first taste of salted egg latte. Okay, what do you think?
Not as bad as I thought. I can't really taste any egg, I would say. It just tastes a little bit salty.
Right.
But like, yeah, you know, kind of like caramel sea salt, right? It's like quite a nice taste. The coffee tastes fine. Yeah, it's okay. I'll give it a 6 out of 10, I would say.
Yeah, to be honest, I must say I completely agree with you. It's not as bad as I thought. I would even probably give it a little bit higher than a 6.
Yeah.
The coffee is not bitter, it's smooth, kind of smooth, right? I think so. I couldn't taste the saltiness of it. It's more
No,
like
just a little bit. Yeah, it's more
sweet.
sugary, really.
Yeah, the caramel is like a caramel, salted egg caramel.
But you can't every single time drink it with pulling your straw up,
I know,
surely.
isn't it? So would you like to give
Can't
it
you
a
just stir it? Yeah, let's try
stir
that,
it
yeah.
and see how it tastes
All right.
like. We were told to do it that way, but you
Every
know,
single time seems a bit too much.
Do we ever do what we're told?
No, I don't think so.
never.
Not here at
So-
Chao.
Not here. Yeah, that's right.
And then just drink your own.
Then drink it. Let's see, can you taste the salted egg?
Honestly, it kind of just tastes like a latte now.
Okay.
Like a normal latte, I would say.
And it's not too bad. Well, there you go. I suppose if all they serve in this place
Yeah, not bad.
is the salted egg caramel, yeah, I probably would come back for this.
It's probably the best drink we've had here so far, I think.
Well, thank you very much,
Yep.
Jack. Jack,
Risa.
CEO of BASE. Don't forget to listen to his podcast. Can you tell us about it?
Yep, Fitness Business Asia. You can search for that anywhere to
Right.
listen to the podcast. For gym owners, coaches, fitness business investors, check it out.
Okay, not a sponsored video either. So there you go. Thank you
collaboration.
Thank you for gracing us with your honest review of
Yeah,
this
absolutely.
not so bad Kai Kem latte or salted egg latte.
Can I say it?
Yep.
Ciao for now.
I'll give them a 10 out of 10 for the view. Absolutely stunning view of the beach, of course. The drinks, I must say, is not something that I would come back for. Probably 0.5 out of 5. Giving it a 2 might be too harsh because of the view. But I must say, instead of that, I'd rather have my fried sweet potato that I bought from the roadside for 20 baht. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.